Welcome back to my channel. So this is one more journal entry. This is about a Substack post I read few days back. And nowadays I like doing journal entries because it really feels like I am back to myself whenever I read out what I write in my journals. So here we go. I came across this post on Substack today and I didn't even think of it much. But then I kept thinking about it the whole day. It was basically saying that it's not that people don't have talent, it's that they don't act on it. And I don't know why, but that felt a little too personal because I keep thinking about how many things I want to do and how many of them I actually start. Like, I'll get an idea, and in that moment, I feel so sure about it. I feel like this is it. I'm going to do this properly, and then I just sit on it. I start thinking, what if it's not good enough? What if I don't do it properly? What if I start and then stop again? Then somehow, thinking about it feels like I am doing something, but I'm not. And the worst part is, I know I'm not lazy. I actually care a lot. Maybe too much. I think that's the problem because when you care too much, you don't want to do things badly. So you end up not doing them at all. And then you see other people, and it's not like they're insanely talented or anything, but they're just doing things, messy things, imperfect things, but they're moving. And I am just thinking, I don't think the difference is talent anymore. I really don't. I think it's just who decides to move first. And that's uncomfortable to admit at first because it means I don't really have an excuse. It's not about waiting to become better, it's about being okay with starting as I am. Even this video, I almost didn't make it. I was thinking that okay, I don't want to post, I won't be doing this because what will I even get from doing this? This is just a small passion I have at this side. But then I'm like, if we are thinking of starting something, maybe it is halfway done and we should just start to do this. And personally, I felt like recently I kept watching all of my views and everything, and I'm like, okay, this feels that I'm simply doing it for the sake of doing. Maybe I am imperfect, maybe I'm not fit to do this. And then I'm like, nobody's proper or nobody's trained to do this at the beginning. They learn from their mistake, they try and experiment things. And I think right now, being perfect doesn't matter. What matters is starting and the courage you require to start. It's everything. At least you started something. At least you worked upon that idea, you worked on that project, you worked on what you wanted. Delulu. Superstitious. So that's it. Have a nice day. Thank you.